students, today we are going to start standard 6th subject maths, chapter number 12 percentage, practice set 30. Solve the following. Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? So that means out of 800 she get 736 marks and she want to know the percent how much percent she get. So let's write, let Shabana scored x percent of the marks. We don't know percent, that's why x percent we have written here. So x percent upon 100, as you know students, percent sign means 100, so into 736 upon 800. Now let's take out x outside. X equal to 736 upon 800 into 100. Now this 100 2 0 will cancel with 800 2 zeros. So now what's remain? 736 upon 8. So you can directly cancel from here also students, and otherwise you can do the rough work in this way, division form. So answer is 92%. So Shabana scored 92% of the marks. Now let's see the second question. There are 500 students in the school in Daihanda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? So in Daihanda village total 500 student is there, and out of 350 can swim, and we have to take out the 350 students percentage, and then we have to see how much students can't swim. So let's take out first, we will write let x percent of the students can swim. So x percent upon 100 equal to 350 upon 500. So x I will take out outside. X equal to 350 upon 500 multiply by 100. So this 0 I have cancelled with my 100. What remains? 350 upon 5. So this I can directly cancel from here, or otherwise you can do the division in the rough work. So like we get 70. So in this way x is equal to 70%. So that means 70% of the students can swim. Therefore, the remaining 100% minus 17%, how much? 30% cannot swim. So, 70% of the students can swim and 30% of the students cannot swim. Now let's see the third question. If Prakash sowed jawar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, on how many square meter did he actually plant jawar? So suppose Prakash sowed jawar on x square meter. Now see students, in this already they have given you percent. You have to just take out the how much land he has sowed a jawar. So here that's why I have written x square meter of his land. So x upon 19,500 equal to 75% upon 100. Where the percent will be there, where we have to put 100. So x equal to 75 upon 100 as it is here, and this I will do the multiply 19,500. Now this 0 I have cancelled with this 0, and what remains? 75 multiplied by 195. So we get 14,625. So therefore students, Prakash sowed jawar on 14,625 square meter of his land. Now let's see the fourth sum. Soham received 40 messages on his birthday. Of his 90% were birthday greeting. How many other messages did he get beside the greetings? So let's see now. Suppose Soham received X message for birthday greeting. So that means 4 upon X upon 40 we will write into 90% upon 100. So as you know, we have to take out x outside. X equal to 90 upon 100 multiplied by 40. So this 0 I have cancelled with this 0, and this 1 0 I have cancelled this 1 0. So what remains? 9 multiplied by 4. So as you know students, 9 4s are 36. So x is equal to 36 we get. Now we have to see that Soham received 40 messages. So 40 minus 36 which we get. So equal to 4 we get. So now Soham received 4 other messages beside the greeting. So in this way you have to solve the fourth sum. Now let's see the fifth. Of the 5,675 people in a village, 5,448 are literate. What is the percentage of literacy in the village? So now we have to see the literacy percentage. So let the literacy percent of the village be X percent. So X percent upon 100 equal to 5,448, 5,675. So X we have taken outside. X is equal to, in this way we have to write, multiply by 100. So now we will multiply 5,448 multiply by 100. We will get 5,44,800 upon 5,675. Now this we have to do division, or otherwise you can cancel this. So here we have try with division. So 96 answer has came. So X is equal to 96%. The literacy of the village is 96%. Now sixth sum. In the election, 1,080 of the 1,200 women in Jambul Gaon cast their votes, while 1,360 of the 1,700 in Vadgaon cast their votes. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their vote? That means we have to see the two villages there, Jambul and Vadgaon. So for Jambul we will put X percent and for Vadgaon we will put Y percent. So let's write, let X percent of the women from Jambul village cast their votes. So X percent upon 100 in equal to 1,080 upon 1,200. So X I will take out outside. So this I will write as it is and into 100. Now this 0 I will cancel with the 100. So what remains? 1080 upon 12. So you can cancel or you can divide from here. So you will get 90%. Now we know that X means Jambul. Jambul is 90% women have voted. Now let's find the Vadgaon, how much they have voted. So we will put Y for it. Let Y percent of the women for Vadgaon village cast their vote. So Y upon 100 as it is we will write, just instead of X we will put a Y and we will change the numbers because Vadgaon number is different. So 1,360 upon 1,700. So X I will take out outside. X is equal to 1,360 upon 1,700 into 100. So this 0 I will cancel with this 100. And what remains? 1,360 upon 17. So you divide here and you will get 80%. So Y is equal to 80%. So therefore you can write X is greater than Y. How? As you can see students here, X means Jambul village women is 19% vote and Vadgaon village Y is equal to 80%. Among this X and Y, which one is greater? X is greater. So that's why X is greater than Y. So therefore you can write the women from Jambul village cast a greater proportion of votes. So students, here we complete the chapter. Thank you students.